And I did it off camera, and this is fucking disgusting, but I put my lips on this, and I blew out, and there's air coming out through the other way. And now my mouth tastes like oil. All right, guys, so I'm back with another video. I just changed the oil in this truck. So I was eating a sucker. A 1994 Silverado C1500, and it just burned a shit ton of oil right away, and I couldn't understand why, but now I'm thinking the PVC valve is stuck open and causing oil to be sucked into the intake to be burned off. So I bought a new PVC valve. That's this. It's actually directly under this. So the only thing I have to do is pull this side off or pull this side off or both to get to it. The way you check those is there's a little valve, or I guess a flap on the inside. And this is the new one. Listen. That means that valve is free, or the flap on it is free to open and shut. But also air should only go one way out of it. So the way you can check that, you have to hold it up like this. If you blow on the bottom, you should hear that flap opening and feel air come out through here. But if you hold it straight up like this, you should not be able to blow air through the other way. And I know that's disgusting. But anyways, let's get started. So, like I said, it's directly under this. It might be easier to take off the air or the intake or the air cleaner. Let me put you on a stand. I'll be right back. And we are in my garage. The reason we're in my garage is because it might rain. If you hear a bunch of loud noises, the neighbors are lighting off fireworks. I'm putting gloves on. I shouldn't fucking put gloves on, but I just get so sick of getting so fucking dirty. This old fucking truck. It's a piece of shit, but it's actually ran really well for it. What I paid for it. Yeah, I'll take this bitch off. So if it's really loud, the neighbors are pumping fireworks. And their kids are just enjoying life, so good for them. So your PVC valve is right here. And that looks fucking terrible, if I'm being honest. And this boot has a crack in it also, so I'll probably end up replacing that. They both actually have a crack in it, so I'm gonna replace both those. But I'm about to do something so you can hear it. It's not great. So if you hear this one, and you hear this one's definitely fucked up. And I did it off camera, and this is fucking disgusting, but I put my lips on this, and I blew out, and there's air coming out through the other way. And now my mouth tastes like oil. So you better pull it off, replace it. And again, if your truck's burning a bunch of oil, you don't see any smoke, that might be the culprit. And I'm willing to bet that's what was causing mine to burn so much oil. I'm almost done. So we're gonna fill this bitch up with oil. So I'm gonna throw this on there also. I'll link this stuff in the description along with the PVC valve. But when I took this off, the boot was ripped. And this side, the hose was cracked. Let me find it. It's kind of hard to see in, oh, right there. So they sell these little kits at O'Reilly's, and it's literally just plug and play. I'll show you right now. So that's where I took it off from, and it's so simple to put on that you can literally do it with one hand. So you literally just press this on, twist it a little. It's probably easier if you lubricate it, but you don't have to. Oh, fuck, that's hot. And it's probably gonna be easier if I pull this. Oh, fuck, didn't mean to do that. Oh, I should have put this other side on first. Here, let me pull this one back off. Ow. I got cocky saying it's gonna be easy to put on, which it should be easy. But any kind of vacuum leaks on cars cause them to run a little rough. But I'm willing to bet that's what's burning all that oil. It's being sucked into the intake. So I'm gonna put this thing back together. Then just drop that back on. Let me see if I can prop you guys up. Man, I actually thought the oil pump or something was going bad, and that's why I wasn't getting good oil pressure. And it was burning a lot of oil. And I put this off for weeks. It cost me like 25 bucks. No, not even, maybe like 20. God damn, I need to quit being lazy sometimes. Anyways,